Welcome to my winter wind down. This is my regular night routine when the days get shorter and the evenings get longer. First, of course, when I get in, I'm going to take off my coat, or at least attempt to. Zara, I need to speak to your manager. What's going on with your zipper here? Once I finally fidget and get out of the coat, I'm going to put it away. And I'm also going to pack my purse back in the dust bag and put it away. I take out everything out of my purse when I get home from work or wherever I'm out at and just put my bag away. That way there's nothing left in and I don't forget wallets in between different purses. Heading over to wash my hands. This hand soap is so moisturizing and my fingers need it. Besides feeling frigid, they also feel dry. I'm gonna flick on the kettle and I'm gonna pick a mug. Which one should I pick? This one? Okay. I love me a gold fleck mug. And we're gonna make some hot cocoa because that's what I'm feeling like tonight. We're gonna add 1 part oat milk, set that to froth, 1 part water, and a touch of pumpkin spice creamer. I like to switch up my hot cocos. I wanna get the festive feels. We're also gonna top it with a little bit of nutmeg. Take my warm drink over to my computer where I've been listening to tunes for my upcoming vlog. I'm gonna switch that off since now it's time to edit my pods. Every Tuesday I post 2 pods, 1 publicly and 1 to Patreon. So I'm gonna go on Final Cut Pro. Whoa. Sometimes I forget how blind I am until I see scenes like this of me zooming in. All my pods are rendering and uploading. I'm gonna head over to this corner. Oh, I forgot something. I need to get my nail polish remover. This manicure, this DIY is a no. It's just a no. I need to let my little blind manicures go because the way my fingers look, it's terrible. I'm gonna set the mood with a little bit of unwind in my diffuser. That's much better. I'm gonna try my hand again at painting these nails. If you've seen the vlog, you know how excited I was to finally set this candle on. It smells like Christmas. And it looks like it too. It's the perfect aroma to have on because I'm gonna start cooking food. On the menu tonight is carne asada tacos. I haven't done Taco Tuesdays in a minute. So tonight I'm gonna chop off some fresh cilantro, some tomatoes, and some onions. I marinated meat earlier today. Once my skillet is hot enough, we're gonna toss the onions in, lightly saute them, and add the meat. One thing about beef though, it's so gross to cook. The juices that come out, not okay. The smell, not okay. But once it's cooked, it's bliss. Now for my favorite part of making tacos, plating them and topping them. Time to take my tacos over to my high top. Oh shoot, I forgot. I always forget water. I never drink enough water. Do you? Me rolling up my sleeves like this is serious. It's time to dig in. Usually when I'm having dinner, I'll either listen to a pod, talk to a friend, or tonight, since a new vlog dropped, I'm checking out what's happening with Aaliyah. Since the screen is too far away and I can't see it, I'm more listening than anything. Dinner is done. I'm gonna clean up and wash up, head back over to my computer to do a little bit of editing, import some media to make sure it's okay before I move over to meditate.
Practice is designed to help clean the slate.
This is where the real winding down happens. I love meditating. It's a time to tap in, sit down, and settle into your body. I can't lie, this meditation was kind of crazy. The way he had us huffing and puffing, different. So once that's done, I'm gonna change the mood and put on some music. Tonight's playlist is just the Adele album. This song right here is my everything. I'm also gonna put my heater on high to prep myself for when I get out of the shower. I get cold so easily. I'm gonna take off my accessories and put them away, and also pick my nightwear. What should I wear? Good choice. For this part of my typical Tuesday night routine, we're not doing too much. If you want to see the full shebang, I do have a pamper routine on here, so you can check it out. But tonight, all I'm going to do is put this head wrap on and grab this cleanser. Every couple of months, I switch my cleanser. I just find my skin gets used to what I've been using. I still love me some fresh soy face cleanser, but lately I've been needing something that cleanses a little deeper. Also feel like when the seasons change, your skin changes too. So I'm going to put on a mask to really moisturize. Toss off my clothes and hop in the shower. I'm taking 3 different products because I'm extra like that. The first is a shower gel to cleanse with my loofah. Second is a scrub to make my skin extra soft. And finally, another body wash because it smells so good and it conditions so well. Now that I've succeeded at hotboxing my shower and making my bathroom a foggy oasis, I'm gonna pat myself dry. I'm gonna take the body serum and apply it all over my body to moisturize and seal in all of the hydration. Back to editing, of course, cheat a little bit, scroll the gram. This part of my night can take anywhere from 2 hours to 16. I usually break it up into days because 16 hours is impossible. As you can see, I'm constantly zooming in and out, which is why the process takes so long. At some point, I have to take another break and save it for another day. So what I'm gonna do is to plan out my life a little bit. I'm gonna write in my agenda the things I need to get done, the appointments I have set, and also write down what I've completed for the day, so if I look back, I can see how accomplished or unaccomplished I was. I'm gonna go into my Google Calendar and just see what I have to do for YouTube, because that's where I put all my stuff for upcoming content. And then I'm gonna blow out my candle. tucked into bed with a detox tea. This is the part of night where I get to indulge a little bit in social media, so I'll go on TikTok and scroll Instagram and call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed spending this evening with me. If you did, tap the like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe, stay sane, stay blessed, love and later.